is no reason why you should be following me. And
Girl, you just started doing tutorials.
So the first step to a good makeup routine: wash your face and moisturize.
Quiet as it's kept. They say that the girl's not doing that.
And these are products I use to moisturize. Don't forget this step. Don't say I ain't tell you nothing.
You're nasty.
So I try not to do too much on my brows. They're already thick. Thanks to my dad. Thank you, Carlton. I only filled in from here on back. I'm going to do this brow. As long as we got that concealer, babes. As long as this match up right here, boom, we good. Brows look crazy right now. We're going to add concealer. So the concealer that I got was way too light for me. So what I'm going to do is mix a little bit of my foundation in it. Hey, when you don't got the shade, you just got to make it work. Do y'all see once we add the concealer, it don't look bad. Now we're going to do this side. I always like to start under the brow bone. I typically go above it with a darker shade, but today we're not doing
it. If you're supposed to be teaching them, why wouldn't you use a darker shade on top? Please. Okay, Bree, once you buff it out, they don't look too bad. I know that's right. Y'all, she might know something.
Okay, they at least look a little related. Okay. You want to get a primer that you like to use. Not what I like to use, but what you like to use. That's the problem. Y'all be getting stuff that everybody else feels. Do what's good for your face. Okay? Thank you. Right now, I'm looking like Michael Jackson. But please stay with me.
Light-skinned friend.
Concealer that I use under my brow, I'm going to put right here. Under my eye. So lately, I have been using more concealer than I have foundation. Only because sometimes foundation be a little expensive.
So you're cheap.
I will buy concealer quick, fast, in a hurry. Because now, with my job, I literally wear makeup every day.
That's okay. I bet you they won't call you a flat face. Oh.
Cute occasion. But now, every day is crazy. So everywhere where you would normally put your concealer, where you would conceal, I do first. I'm going to contour. A little here. Here. And this is what I do. Y'all ain't got to do it. Hell. Y'all ain't got to listen to me. But y'all ask me.
How you make yourself mad? Please.
Where the spots are not, that's where I'm going to add my foundation. I know my dogs ain't fighting.
They are.
Today.
Whoop them.
So once again, I didn't get the right shade, so I'm mixing these two. But I'm just going to go right above, right under, and around. Now that our concealer has dried down a little bit, we're going to take our concealer brush, okay?
Wash your brush.
I know this is my concealer brush. I know I need to wash it. We are just going to blend it out until you can't blend no more. And to be honest, if your mouth ain't, you ain't doing it right.
Now, they ain't tell you to do all that.
With our foundation brush, we're going, I got to push this. Hold on, wait.
Hold on.
Hold on.
They ain't ready. They ain't ready.
That shit back up.
Uh-huh.
I'm going to blend the contour out first. Blend it until you can't see it. Okay? Get that double chin. Make sure you flicking up. Don't drag. We're not dragging. Or if you don't want to flick it up, just dab. We're not done because you see I got to blend that, but I'm going to do it off camera. Y'all see this? I didn't go all the way up because I needed to dry down one more. Our tiny concealer brush, look up and blend until you don't see them creases. Okay?
Y'all, I'm only quiet because it kind of looks like she knows what she's doing.
No, I would
Let me take some notes.
I like blush. So, I don't care what they say. One thing I'm going to do is put some blush on my nose.
Do your thing, Rudolph.
Who's going to stop me? Who's going to say something?
They not.
To do my blush, I like to go in with a beauty puff to blend it out better. Okay, blush. Butter. Everywhere that I put liquid or cream, whatever, I'm going to use a powder. So it can, I don't care what y'all say, infallible, blurfaction, love it. L'Oreal did their thing with this one. Melt.
I mean, that's what they say.
So I like to put it on the back of my hand a little bit, just so it can be even. I don't really bake, but what I am going to do is just dab it on there. Look up to get those creases, y'all. But everywhere you put that concealer, you're going to put this powder. It gives filter, y'all. Like, we're going to go in with our bronzer. I actually love this bronzer. We can't forget the nose contour, okay? And I like to bring it up right here. So when I do my eyeshadow, it'll blend seamlessly. Seamlessly?
She finding it.
Seamlessly?
Take your time.
Jesus Christ. Blurfaction with the darker shade right under, right here. we're going to add the blush. Is she on her last leg? Yes. Are we still going to use her? Yes.
My goodness.
Right. Blush right in there. Right in there. A little bit.
Okay, Rudolph, do your thing. We ain't mad.
Okay, I just love these two together. However, we're going to spray this first, highlighter, and then this.
I mean, to be honest, you might as well get baptized.
I don't care what y'all say. I will forever wear highlighter. I don't care what the young girls is doing.
The girls are trying to say it's out of style. It's not. Do you think, Brie?
Every time. That brow bone, highlight it. Okay. I may not do the cheek as often. I'm going to do that nose every time. If you want your makeup to last all day.
And we do.
This is the only answer. Okay. This in one size.
So it's not the only answer. See, just be talking.
Take my money. Every time. Okay. Y'all see?
I mean, we see the bump on the side of your face, but girl, the makeup is tea.
Let's do the lips so you can at least get the gist of what it's going to look like. So this is what the face is giving.
Why she say giving
without
so
any
hard?
eyeshadow,
My
without any
gosh.
lashes, any mascara, any liner, okay? We're going to learn the lips. We're going to learn the eyeshadow, liner, and how to put on your lashes. Make sure you're following me. I don't want to hear I don't know how to do my makeup no more. Okay? I don't want to hear it.
Child, they still gonna say it.
I'm teaching y'all. We doing this together.
If they don't get it after this, they better book a one-on-one session. Bye.
Bye.